This is problem number 2 on the practice problems for test number 3. Let P sub n be the number of people visiting a museum during the nth day after it opens. A, what does P sub 15 represent? So P sub 15 represents the number of people visiting on the, or during the 15th day. That's just a matter of reading carefully the first sentence. Part B, what does summation n equals 1 to 100 of P sub n represent? So in this case, well, we could just write out a few of these things if we wanted to. This is equal to, so you just plug in n equals 1 and I'll write down P1 plus summation and then plug in n equals 2 and then we'll write P2, P3, dot, 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 up until the very last one, which is P sub 100. And I know that P1 represents the number of people visiting on the first day, P2 is the number of people visiting on the second day, and that's the number of people visiting on the 100th day. So then the whole thing represents the total number of people visiting between the first and 100th days. Equivalently, it's the total number of people visiting during the first 100 days. Part C, what does it mean in terms of attendance if P sub n is greater than P sub n plus 1 for all n? Okay, so generally speaking, let's just say that this is the number of people visiting on a generic day, n. And according to this inequality, that's greater than this, which is the number of visitors on, and then what day are we talking about? If n is the generic day, then n plus 1 is the next day. So what that means is that the number of people on any given day is greater than the number of people coming the next day, number of people coming tomorrow. So is that good news or bad news for the museum? This is bad news, as attendance is declining.